Calgary's towing services are known to come with a hefty price tag, but it's essential to know that there are affordable options available. Whether you're a resident or a visitor in Calgary, having access to affordable towing services is crucial for ensuring peace of mind while traveling on the road. Affordable towing not only eases the financial burden for individuals but also contributes to overall road safety by encouraging responsible vehicle management and assistance for those in need. When it comes to towing services, understanding the cost factors is essential for making informed decisions. Various elements contribute to the overall cost of towing, including distance, vehicle size, and any additional services required. The distance to be towed plays a significant role in determining the cost, with longer distances often resulting in higher fees. Additionally, the size and weight of the vehicle can impact the equipment and resources needed for towing, influencing the pricing. Exploring these cost factors can help individuals anticipate and plan for the expenses associated with towing services. When seeking affordable towing services in Calgary, comparing different towing companies becomes crucial. Highlighting various towing providers that offer competitive rates allows individuals to make informed choices based on their specific needs. Beyond pricing, discussing the service offerings of these companies sheds light on the range of assistance available, such as roadside repairs or vehicle recovery. Additionally, incorporating customer reviews provides insights into the quality and reliability of each provider, aiding viewers in selecting a reputable and cost-effective towing service that aligns with their requirements. Saving on towing services in Calgary can be achieved through practical tips that help individuals manage their vehicle-related expenses. Discussing preventive maintenance measures empowers viewers to minimize the likelihood of breakdowns and the need for towing. Furthermore, delving into roadside assistance programs provides insights into valuable services that can offer support during unexpected car troubles, potentially reducing the reliance on costly towing services. By implementing these tips, individuals can proactively safeguard their vehicles and finances, fostering a more secure and budget-conscious approach to managing towing needs. In conclusion, finding affordable towing in Calgary encompasses considering various factors discussed throughout the video. Summarizing these key points aids viewers in retaining essential information for their future towing needs. Furthermore, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing both quality and affordability serves as a crucial reminder when evaluating towing services. By seeking a balance between these aspects, individuals can ensure that they receive reliable and cost-effective assistance when facing vehicular challenges on Calgary's roads, ultimately promoting a safer and more financially prudent approach to towing.